Hello, colleagues. Have you ever wondered if infrastructure as a code is the right choice for your projects? Today, let's clearly explore both the benefits and challenges of infrastructure as code using practical examples from my own experience. Before we continue, please support this channel. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful content. First, let's look at the key advantages. Infrastructure as code allows you to set up your entire infrastructure quickly and easy by running scripts. Imagine deploying a complete cloud environment in minutes, not days. It reduces manual effort and speeds up the whole setup process. Also, infrastructure as code helps avoid human errors. For example, I've seen situations where manual setups caused inconsistent configurations, leading to bugs that were hard to find. With infrastructure as code, every deployment is consistent and predictable. Another advantage is version control. Just like with your application code, you can track infrastructure changes, identify issues quickly, and easily revert to previous states if needed. Replication is another big win. Need multiple testing or staging environment? With infrastructure as code scripts, you create them rapidly without repeating manual tasks. Infrastructure as code scripts also serve as clear documentation. Anyone joining your team can easily understand your infrastructure setup just by reading the Terraform code or code of another infrastructure as code tool. Lastly, infrastructure as code fits perfectly with DevOps and continuous deployment. It supports rapid, reliable, and regular releases, crucial for agile teams. But now let's honestly discuss some common challenges. Learning infrastructure as code tools can take time. Tools like Terraform or OpenTofu use specific languages like HCL, and mastering them is not instant. Also, rapid changes are a strength of infrastructure as a code, but also a risk. I've seen teams accidentally deploy wrong configurations, then impacted production environments. That's why good testing and review process are essential. Initial setup of infrastructure as code scripts can be time-consuming. You need a thoughtful design upfront, so there is a significant initial effort. Handling sensitive data like passwords or API keys securely with your infrastructure as code scripts can be a bit tricky. You must implement the security secret management practices very carefully. Finally, as your infrastructure grows, your infrastructure as code can become a bit complicated. I've experienced firsthand how important good coding standards and organized scripts are to maintain clarity. To sum up, infrastructure as code brings many advantages like efficiency, consistency, and better team collaboration. But like all solutions, it requires proper planning, good practices, and careful management to overcome potential challenges. Please remember, adopting infrastructure as code is not just about learning a new tool. It's about changing how you think about infrastructure, treating it just like software. I hope this helps you decide how infrastructure as code might fit into your workflow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next time.